Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor channel.
Imagine this. You are lost. You are in a new city. You need help. Can you ask for directions in English? By the end of this episode, you can.
And trust me, I have been very lost before. You do not want that to happen to you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor. I am Emily.
And I am Alex. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is super useful. We are learning how to ask for directions.
You will learn real English phrases, the kind that real people use.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button too.
It really helps us make more episodes for you. Okay, let's go.
So, Alex, have you ever been lost in a new place?
Oh yes, so many times. One time I was in London.
Oh, what happened?
I needed to find the train station, but my phone was dead. No GPS, no map.
That sounds very stressful.
It was, so I stopped a woman on the street. I tried to say, "Where is the train station?" But I said, "Where is the big train house?"
Big train house?
I know, but guess what? She understood me, and she helped me.
That is the good news. People want to help, but let's learn the right words.
Yes, let's do it properly, not train house.
Okay, the most important question is this. Excuse me, where's the...
Excuse me, this is very polite. Always say this first.
Right, you say, excuse me, to get someone's attention. It is respectful.
Then you ask your question. For example, excuse me, where's the bank?
Or, excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?
Nearest, that means the closest one to you.
Good word, Alex. So, nearest means closest. Very useful word.
What if you don't understand their answer?
Great question. You can say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Or, sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
People will not be angry. They will help you. Most people are kind.
One time, I asked someone for directions. They talked very fast, super fast.
What did you do?
I just smiled and said thank you. Then I walked in the wrong direction.
Oh no, Alex.
I found a coffee shop instead, so it worked out okay.
Always a coffee shop.
But now I know the right phrase. Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please? That one sentence changes everything.
Now let's talk about the answer. When someone gives you directions, they use these words.
They might say, turn left. That means go to the left side.
Or turn right, go to the right side.
Go straight. That means keep walking forward. Don't turn.
It's on your left. The place is on your left side.
It's on your right. The place is on your right side.
It's next to the supermarket. It is beside the supermarket.
Next to means beside. Very useful phrase.
And one more, it's about 5 minutes away. It is not far, maybe a short walk.
These are the key direction words. Let's do a quick vocabulary check.
Let's review the words we learned so far. Ready?
Ready.
Word 1, excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention politely.
Word 2, nearest. It means the closest one.
Word 3, turn left. Go to the left side.
Word 4, turn right. Go to the right side.
Word 5, go straight. Keep walking forward.
Word 6, next to. Beside something.
And word 7, repeat. Say it again.
Great, those are your 7 key words. Now let's do a role play.
Okay, this is my favorite part. Alex and I will act out a real situation.
I am a tourist. I am lost. Emily is a local person walking on the street.
I will show you a good example. Then we will explain everything. Ready?
Ready. Here we go.
Excuse me.
Yes? Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where is the nearest pharmacy?
The pharmacy? Sure. Go straight down this road,
Go straight. Okay.
then turn left at the traffic light.
turn left at the traffic light. Got it.
The pharmacy is next to the post office. It's about 2 minutes away.
Sorry, can you repeat that? Can you speak more slowly, please?
Turn left at the traffic light. Then look for the post office. The pharmacy is next to it.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
No problem. Have a nice day.
And scene. How was that?
I think it was great. Did you hear all the phrases we taught?
Excuse me at the start. Very polite.
Where's the nearest pharmacy? A clear, simple question.
Then I asked her to repeat. That is so important. Don't be shy.
And she used go straight, turn left, and next to, all in one answer.
If you can follow that conversation, you are doing really well.
Let's learn 2 more helpful phrases before our bonus tip.
Okay, what are they?
First, how far is it? This asks about the distance.
And the answer might be, it's not far, or it's about 10 minutes on foot.
On foot means walking, not by car or bus, just walking.
And the second phrase,
Can you show me on the map? This is very helpful if you have a paper map or you can show your phone.
most people are happy to help. Just be polite. That is the most important rule.
Always say excuse me first. Always say please and thank you.
Simple manners, big difference. Okay, it is time for my bonus tip. This is the part of the show I love.
Alex always has a creative idea. Let's hear it.
So here is my tip. Practice at home. Before you travel or go out, practice asking for directions in English.
How do you do that at home?
Easy. Use Google Maps on your phone. Pick a place near you. Then describe how to get there in English, out loud.
Oh, I like that idea.
Say things like turn left here, go straight, turn right at the school. Practice with a real map, real streets, real places.
You're building the habit. The words become natural.
Yes, when you're nervous in real life, the words come out easily because you practiced.
That is a fantastic tip, Alex. Simple, but very effective.
I wish I had done that before London. Maybe I would have found the train station faster.
And not the coffee shop. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick summary. What did we learn today?
We learned how to ask for directions in English.
You learned to say, excuse me, where's the nearest?
You learned direction words. Turn left, turn right, go straight, next to.
You learned to say, sorry, can you repeat that?
And you learned Alex's big tip. Practice at home with a map.
These phrases will help you in real life in any English-speaking country.
Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. People will still help you.
Now, here's our question for you. Write your answer in the comments below.
The question is, have you ever been lost in a new city? What happened?
We want to read your stories. Every comment makes us smile.
And if this episode helped you, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to GFX English Learning Mentor for new episodes every week.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Every share helps us reach more learners around the world.
Thank you so much for watching. You are awesome.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep growing. Bye.
Bye.